Good day guys, this is Hassan. Welcome to Get Gizmo. And friends, in this video we will draw another shape of AutoCAD practice series for the beginner students. So let's start the video. And before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. So friends, we have this shape and we are going to draw this in AutoCAD. So let's start it. And we started with circles. The first circle have the radius of 15 units and the second circle have the radius of 20 units and the third circle have the radius of 25 units. So let's start the shape. The circle have the radius of 20 units, 15 and 25. 15 units and 25 units. So the fourth circle have the diameter of 80 units. Now we draw a circle with the diameter of 80 units. We draw another circle which have the diameter of 120 units. Diameter of 120 units. Now we draw a last circle which have the diameter of 150 units, and here it is. So we draw all of our circles. Now we draw the shape. Now give the offset 10 units on the upside and the downside and change the layer and give the line type scale 0.2 units. Here in shape we trim this line like this on both sides and draw a line like this. So trim the circle from here. So guys, we have this angle 45 degree, which means 22.5 degree on this side and 22.5 degree on this side. So we make this angle, and for that if we minus 22.5 degree into 90 degree, then we have the angle of 67.5 degree. And to draw this, turn on the polar tracking and add the angle 67.5 degree and click on OK. Draw this angle like this and mirror it. Now we check the angle. So it is 45 degree. Now we mirror it like this and we trim the extra lines and trim the circle. And we change the layer of this circle like this and we trim these lines from third circle. TR double enter like this. So in this way we make our center shape. Now we make right side, and for that we have the angle 45 degree. 45 degree plus 22.5 degree is equal to 67.5 degree. Now if I minus into 90 degree, then we have the value of 22.5 degree. So we draw a line on 22.5 degree. If I check the angle, so it is 45 degree. We trim the extra lines and delete it. And we need to trim here and mirror it like this. Select both the lines and mirror it. Now we trim our circle like this. And we have our shape. Now we draw these circles which have the radius of 6 units. If I draw a circle of 6 units and use the polar array to make more circles. Select the polar array, give the base point and give the item 8 and close array. So in this way we make our circle. So guys, our shape is ready. Now we hatch it. For hatch, type H and enter. Select your desired color and hatch it, and click on hatch creation. We use hatch again and select a color randomly and click on solid. Select your boundaries and click on close hatch creation. So in this way we make the hatch. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment, and guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.